Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official fall cookbook. Today we're making Mirelurk claw cakes. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below. This might be one of the shortest preps ever. You are going to chop 2 scallions and zest 1 lemon, and then get 2 teaspoons of lemon juice from that lemon. That's it. Now, in a large bowl, you're going to combine a 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, the zest of the lemon, 1 teaspoon of celery salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, pinch of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and a pinch of ground allspice. And you're going to just mix that all together. Then you're going to mix in 15.5 ounces of crab meat, 1 egg, your 2 green onions, and a cup of panko breadcrumbs, and you're going to mix that all together. Now you're going to form them into equal sized patties. It says 8, I got 10 out of it. Just as long as they're all of the same size, you're good. And finally, you're going to add a tablespoon of canola oil to a frying pan, and you're going to cook the crab cake. Once the oil heats up, you're going to cook the crab cakes in there 3 to 5 minutes each side until it's like golden brown and they stay together. These are very good, as to be expected from crab cakes. I was not I'm kind of shocked that there have been, I don't remember. I know there's crab cakes in this book and as well as the Stardew book. I don't remember. I don't think they were running in the FNAF book. It's been a little bit. But yeah, I didn't think it'd be like a staple of branded cookbooks. But I mean, I'm not complaining. They're good, and they're going to stay good. They were a little they did fall apart a little bit. That's probably because you ended up using 3 ounces more crab than they asked for, so it didn't stick together as well. But it's fine. Still tastes the same. All in all, 9 out of 10. Very good.